Are we good? Are we straight? Okay. Gotta get together. My man is in town. For real. Cause why you walking around looking like this? I mean, your braids is, you know what I'm saying? You got a little hang time now. But nah. I think it's cute for my man. Okay. And I'm about to get cute with Alipearl. She's so fitting. She's so cute. She's giving all the pink power that we are wanting to give, okay? And listen, yeah. I know, ladies. I know. We do it for ourselves, absolutely, first and foremost. But baby, I'm finna do it for my man too. Period. Oh, it's a little stanky coming out the bag. Oh, okay. Not too bad. It just hit me with a little fresh out the box smell. It actually kind of smells like they might have put a little conditioner or something on it. Okay. That's how we giving it to them. That's how we giving it to them. You feel me? And I got a little show tonight, honey. I got a little show tonight. Okay. Baby girl. I got me a pole, and my pole fits in my freaking room. It did not fit in my apartment, so what? But wait a minute, not they pre-cut the lace? Hold on, Alipearl. What are they doing to us? Listen, y'all, this wig is just giving me really good quality. I just am in love with the construction of this wig. It's just nice and simple. It don't even have all them combs in it, which I am not mad about. I cannot stand all them combs in a wig. So I feel like Alipearl gets it. She gets it. I ain't gonna lie, I was freaking out a little bit. Like, I ain't got my pressing comb. Like, you know, most of my hair stuff is at the salon. I don't know if we're gonna need it. I mean, the curls. What is this, body wave? Yeah, I'm gonna put all the wigs information down below. It's giving me 24-inch body wave. I think that's what it is. And I just cannot get over this. Like, do y'all see this? That is insane. The lace already cut perfectly. Like, it's cut in the ridges. Do y'all see? Do y'all see that thing? Y'all see understand? Okay, Alipearl coming with it. They done upgraded. This might be one of my new top faves. Okay, I haven't had an Alipearl wig in a minute, but it's giving like it's supposed to be giving. Okay, yeah, let me show you what's in the box. We got our wig cap. Okay, Alipearl, they done came up. They got a cute little glitter edge band, cute little lashes. You know, we get the big lashes, edge brush, and we got a little baggy hair. So I'm gonna take this little Pantene and just give my hair some moisture. I have found a new method I like to do with my closure wigs, which is leaving my edges out. So we are about to swoop some baby hairs. So what I'm gonna do is take out my edges. And listen, if this wig snatch off tonight, y'all, at least I'll at least have some cute edges done. I like to use my Eben lace spray for my edges, as y'all can see. It lays them and slays them, okay? I don't even hardly use a lot of edge control anymore with this method because it really lays the hair down and keeps it in place so good because, you know, it's a lace spray. You can even use like the freeze spray or just some type of hard hold hairspray. And it really does not, it don't play with the edges, okay? It don't play. So, bam. And you see what I'm saying? You see how it come together just like that. But I like to do my edges with a closure because a lot of times when we wear closures, we neglect, you know, the rest of our hairline. But when you go ahead and swoopty do, or just leave out a little of your hairline on the sides, it gives it like that frontal hairline look. I can't wait to put this on. I done tightened my band, girl, she's ready. Oh my gosh, I just already know. I just already knew. I already knew she was gonna be, oh, yo. This might be the fastest tutorial of my life. And y'all see that? Edges out, you know what I'm saying? That way the wind blows, you'll have a little something to be right there. But OMG. Do y'all see this right now? This glueless situation. These are my types of wigs, honey. I don't have the time. Y'all know me, I ain't got the time for nothing. So glueless me, listen, it's already curled. I don't know what more y'all want me to show the people, Alipearl, but I mean, it's already done. Like, it's already, that girl is already on good. I don't even have to spray it for real. Like, what else y'all want me to do? I don't know. The most I'm gonna do is take this off and bring it down. I got a thumbs up from the background, so you know what I'm saying? I think we real cute. My man's over there like, he looking a little excited. Am I looking cute, baby? Is it giving? Oh, he said it's giving. Listen, y'all better go. Y'all better snatch your whip one. What was said? I mean. When I say I'm about done, I'm about done. I do want to cut like a little face framing layers, but honestly, I don't know if I want to even touch this. I'm gonna just brush this. Look at that curla. It's getting cute. Oopsie. I feel like this would be cute with some little, you know, some up high swoops, some up high curtain bangs. I cannot believe that they call these things curtain bangs. Like, I guess we never really had a name for it back in the day, but this was like a standard. When you get down to the end of the hairstyle, and then you get the choo, and then you get the shoo, doing all that. We ain't never called them curtain bangs, but I guess. I'm not gonna do too much. Y'all see those little layers coming through. Yes. Boom.
wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap.
Just like that. Just like that. A simple little 1, 2, 3. It don't take much. It don't take much. Listen. I've been walking around looking like, what's his name, Avery? What's his name? What you been calling me?
Calvin Cambridge.
I've been walking around looking like Calvin Cambridge. Off of like Rock. Little Bow Wow. Y'all know. But listen, I ain't looking like Calvin no more. I tell you that. I tell you what, honey. Listen. Alipearl did her thing on this unit. I mean, the bust down. It was a flawless little 1-2 bust down. That's what got me geeked and excited because y'all know, listen, I'm a busy mama of 3. So the quicker, the better. I ain't no ball cap. Listen, no cutting, no curling. Like all I did was my little, you know, my little swoop beaters. But the fact that the wig came pre-plucked, pre-curled, pre-cut, like glueless. Like, make room, okay? She ain't got no excuse. she just don't. She just don't. I'm gonna have to have Avery remind me of this wig if I go, you know what I'm saying, a few days with my Calvins. You can't even see your head.
Now I'm out here looking like what was that dude off the Proud Family?
Wizard Kelly.
Wizard Kelly. I'm here looking like Wizard Kelly, y'all.
Okay, so which hairstyle? My Bow Wows or these?
Oh, this one easy. Easy.
Do I look cute?
You do. You look great. At first you looked like you was gonna go play in the NBA.
For real?
Yeah. But now you
what else like I'm about to do now?
Now, like you finna do whatever you want to do.
Oh, okay. Not just like
You need to be active.
yeah.
His hair looks extravagant on you. Let me buy you dinner with this hair.
Okay, actor.
Yeah, at first, you know, I didn't know if you wanted me to like see if I can get them shoes up the wire.
Oh,
but now,
Bow Wow.
Yeah, but now.
Now what? What's it giving now?
Now I want to take you out.
Ooh, take me out, baby.
I will.
Take me
I
out.
will.
Is she cute? Is she cute?
It's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous! Gorgeous! Am I gorgeous, baby?
Gorgeous.
Mm.
The girl is gorgeous.
Talk to me now.
The girl's so fine.
Mm.
Yeah, it looks great.
Thank you, baby. Gas me up. Gas me up and I'll do you one better. I like to look good for my man.
I like when you do too. I always notice, I always appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You look so good too.
Thank you, baby. You so sweet, you're making me blush. Fine.
Thank you. Red tea all the way up.
I'll raise you up, baby. Listen, get fine for that fine man right there. Yes, ma'am. Sign me up. Sign me up. Okay, listen.